my channel. I am Martha and I have a Dollar Tree DIY Christmas craft for you guys today. I'm going to show you how it turned out. And here it is. Look at this beautiful lantern with Santa and that beautiful tree up there with a treetop. Let me turn it around so you can see this side. And guess what? It lights up. Look at that. Look how cold and beautiful it looks in there. Look at the tree on this side. Look at the beautiful lantern. Look at that. The best part about it is that it's all Dollar Tree items, and I think I spent like $15 including tax. If you like it too, then I hope that you will stay tuned so you can see how I did that. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing. And I know it's kind of early to put up a Christmas craft, but things go by really fast at the Dollar Tree. The other day I was there and I was gonna buy a really large, like those signs that you put by the door. It was like a rectangular one, $5. And I decided to wait for the next time I would go to the store. It was gone. I couldn't buy it. So these things are available now at my Dollar Tree. So I guess they might be available at yours. So I thought I'd put it up early in case you like it. You can still pick up the things that I use. So let's get started. See you soon. Bye-bye, guys. And here are the things I picked up at Dollar Tree for this craft. I got some of this fake snow. I got these pom-pom trims, which are really cute. I got this beautiful snowy Christmas tree. I got some lights. I also got this adorable ornament. It is a super cute Santa Claus. I got that, and also I got this beautiful other ornament. We're going to be using that. I have some glitter from before, this beautiful metal lantern. They did have a black option. I went for the gold. That was the only item that was $5. And of course, you're going to need some hot glue and some Jenga blocks. So I thought this Christmas tree was so pretty, filled with snow. And I'm going to hot glue that inside this beautiful lantern, metal lantern. I'm sort of gonna make a little scene in there. So I'm going to use the Jenga blocks to glue the pieces down. And I'm just going to add some hot glue in the bottom of the Jenga block. And I want the tree to be all the way in the right corner, in the back. It has a wooden base. Yeah, I'm gonna add one more piece of Jenga block. I know this is kind of an early Christmas decor, but I know how fast things go in the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna hot glue that tree right there in the corner. So let me put some hot glue in the base of this beautiful little tree, which was only $1.25. I'm gonna be very generous with the glue, making sure not to burn myself in the corner, even because I want some of the tree to stick out through the side. It's looking pretty already, isn't it? So pretty. Who would know this is a $1.25 ornament? Look at that, you guys. They also had it in a gray, which I purchased for something else. Let's see where I want to place the Santa. And I've just placed those in an angle right in front of the tree. Plenty of glue on his boots. See? Santa's holding a little wreath in his hand. See how cute that is? If you were to go buy this at the store, I'm sure you'd spend at least $30. At least, probably more. You know how expensive things are now. I bought this really cute ornament. I wanted to use the little reindeer from there. And I will be adding him to one of the Jenga blocks, and this I have to hold down until it really dries. So cute. It's drying. It's getting pretty sturdy. And I'm gonna probably add another Jenga block under it to raise him up. As I start working with these lights from Dollar Tree, I paid $1.25. and they're like pretty snowflakes. I'm going to hot glue the battery pack in the back right here, making sure that the screw is accessible to the outside so that I can change the batteries whenever I need to. Press this to the back. Okay, so while the battery pack dries, I'm going to add 2 more Jenga blocks under the little reindeer. See if I can remove this. There we go. I'm going to hot glue these 2 pieces. This other piece right there. Next, I'm gonna see how this works for snow. I did buy the other fake snow, but I don't know, I might like the way these little balls, they look like little snowballs, right? Maybe I will use both of them. Okay, so I'm going to start placing some of this, putting some of this snow down around Santa's feet. And we're going to be covering those Jenga blocks that we used. We don't want to cover his boots. Like I said, let's just hold the snow down there. I put a little bit of glue on the Jenga block. That looks really cute. And this is what we have so far. Put a little reindeer right there. Now I'm going to start gluing these snowflakes. Yep, I'm going to start adding a little bit of hot glue, placing them inside of the lantern and holding it down. I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue to some of these snowflakes and gluing them on the inside of the lantern, like so. I'll do another one. That one's gonna go right here, okay? Just in the little plastic part, I add a little bit of hot glue. Sorry about that. And I hold it down in place to light up the whole bottom of the lantern. And I think the little half a snowflake sticking out looks really nice. And there's only one more that needs to go in. I was able to put one of the snowflakes on top of the tree and it looks like a treetop. It's so pretty. I will show you later. See how pretty that is? So snowy and wintry in there. I'm thinking of maybe adding some of this around the border of the lantern. I think that would look really cute. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Next, I bought some glitter and some Mod Podge at the Dollar Tree, and I am going to mix them together and brush it on the outside of the lantern just so that it gives it some sparkle. And here it is, you guys, the completed DIY, all Dollar Tree items. I think it's super adorable. I'm gonna show you here with the lights off, then I'm gonna show you with the lights on, then I'm gonna show you with the lights on in a dark room. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll make something beautiful for your home this Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take good care, guys. Goodbye.